Hello everybody, welcome back. Here's how you can hide Reels from your Facebook timeline. So when you see Reels or vertical videos like these and then you want to hide Reels, and then you see the video icon which is second from the left, which may contain the Reels that you don't want to see, and then you want to make the video icon to disappear by tapping on the menu icon on the bottom right, and then afterwards you head over to preferences and then tap on the tab bar and then tap on the customize the bar. Afterwards, simply tap here, and then afterwards you simply tap on hide so that it disappears just like this. So the Reel section hasn't disappeared yet. So on this version of Facebook, you simply tap on the icon that has the three dots on the right side of Reels. Tap it, and then you can tap on hide to see fewer posts like these Reels if you want, and then tap on it. And then it disappears, just like this. And then there's this notification saying that you won't see this post in your feed, just like this, or in your timeline. That's how you can make Reels disappear on the latest version of Facebook. Thanks for watching, guys. You can tap on undo if you want to see Reels, up to you. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.